Let's make a home automation tablet. We're using a cell phone for this, but it really does not matter. We can automate everything in the house, from lights, power, door unlocking, playing music, streaming videos, whatever. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to need Google Play, obviously. This is a new user on this phone. This is a perfect app here to organize every single thing that you've ever purchased. Quick and easy to find all your games, programs, and everything. Install. Okay. But there are all the programs we're going to need right off the huff. This is a lovely program. I recommend buying the in-app purchase codes and everything. You install it. Done. Next, you're going to need to grab all the automated devices that you have that work on Google Home or what have you. Now, the big thing here is your tablet launcher, if it's cheap, may have a crappy built-in launcher. So any other launcher you want to add onto this on top of the Kino launcher is fine by me. If your device supports this, it is absolutely excellent. This is device specific, so hopefully your device supports the Bluetooth that it prefers. This allows you to turn everything off in the house, including main power and internet, and still turn it back on with Bluetooth. Install. Reason that it's installing extremely fast is it's already in the background system. Home security. This is an all-in-one service that does absolutely all the previous devices and gives you a great layout. Now I can also control all the other products that do not go on Google Home, like DVD players, Chromecast, Roku, Western Digital. Unfortunately, that has been discontinued, and others. So now we download the remotes. LG makes it a little bit more complicated, but I believe that is the correct one for me. The official Roku remote. The official. Now, as for streaming, first things first. You get all the official streaming apps that you have. Pretty sure that's the correct one. That actually worked. Now, to find out the other app that is really good, there's the app. That is the exact app I was talking about. We're now downloading all the streaming apps that we want. Vimcast, Bobby Player, Gallery. This and other IPTV services sometimes have Chromecast ability built right in. This one does. Just in case you want to send something to the tablet. Oops. You can also install other third-party programs like Hue Hello, Hue Tasks, etc., etc. Mongo, a great free and paid voice over IP app. I go with all the pro stuff so that there's never a commercial in sight. What you do is what you do. Just in case you can't find your cell phone at home. So you can, with IFTP, you can make programs to run with stuff that you want. I know I'm not being very elegant here, but I never said we're going to do this elegantly. Laugh all you want. Well, might as well get YouTube Music. I believe those two daydreams are needed for proper support. I do believe we have everything at the basic level. And if you want to get any other program, you're welcome to it. So now, from here, I'm not going to log into all my products. All right. Give it full access, or whatever you see fit. Now we select all the items we want. You can also put in URLs or files if you want, but we're just going to go with the applications. First of all, you want to put them in the most popular order you can. You select all the apps that we're going to use. Programs you actually want on the screen. None of the ones that you don't. So you obviously skip the calendar. You don't want people accessing your stuff. Skipping IFTP because we don't want users to edit it. Because this is going to be allowed for any user to use. So again, you want to specifically make it so that it's only the apps you want them to use. Basically pretend you're handing your tablet over to anyone. Yeah, what the hell, weather. Boom. Now we organize it from here. You'll want only the primary apps. I use 8 on my tablet because my tablet is a 7-inch tablet. You can use as many as you want. Now we can organize it visually and graphically. So I have it on remote control first of the house. There, all the primary remote controls are on the first row for me. Now working on the second row. Now the most popular server out there is Plex. You can choose whatever one you want, but the most popular is Plex. And if you're wanting to stream your music throughout the entire house and you have Chromecast speakers throughout the house or whatever speaker setup you have, but Chromecast is usually the easiest for this procedure. You put in your music or videos, and same goes with your videos. And last but not least, if someone has a USB they want to share, they can plug it right into the tablet and share it from Chromecast Z. The rest you can organize whatever way you want. Now you'll want to scale the page, I believe, to whatever you feel is right. If you've done it right, to your order, this is how it's going to look. And everything will officially work out. Right? And now we should only have, you can even blacklist apps so they will not run. So let's do that right now. We'll blacklist our calendar, app gallery, contacts, Google Mail. They are now blacklisted. They will not open. Background color. I recommend black. Text, white. Especially if you have an OLED screen. And screensaver. timer. Put it in seconds, so we want 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. You can even also use other apps. Pick an app. I do believe we have Daydream in there. Daydream. Boom. Done. If you've noticed, it's using the full name of the system. Force orientation, you can do. Orientation, landscape, force it. Unlock. There are plenty of little trigger programs in here. Boot it on launch. You can even back it up. Now we allow it to control everything. Activate it. Turn on overdraw. Turn on access. But there we go. We've officially launched it. So now whenever someone presses turn Kino mode on, yes,